We need to talk about the Timpano's marine speakers. This question got asked earlier and I didn't realize I hadn't covered it. So people were wondering, why is it designed like this? Well, they take a note out of JL's, and that note is the tweeter portion is replaceable. So you unplug these. Show y'all real live time. Get some pliers to make this easier. Alright, so we're gonna unplug both sides. They're on there. Pretty good. Trying to do it without breaking the wires, you know what I'm saying? Then you'll slide the flathead really quick, make it easier on myself. Actually, you know what? This will probably work better. There we go. Lift it up, pull the tinsel lead out, both sides. And then you're going to flip the speaker over. I'll remove these screws right here. This is actually a really cool feature for a speaker in this price range. Now, you're going to see that there's another one of those little clips. Slide it over. Slide it over, and work your speaker tweeter off. Be gentle with it, because you got to feed the wire while you do it. There you have it, guys. You can pull it off, replace it, put a new one on, feed everything through, and you're good to go. Is it the easiest thing in the world? No. Is it hard? No. Is it handy? Yes. Very much so. Alright guys, if you want to get a set of these, check out the link below.